All right, welcome once again to Penny to Fortune Trader session. This is part two. Just like if you've watched the first video, the part one of this trading session, we started from 5 USD account, and I told you in that video, if the market is calm, if the market is favorable, I will be raising that 5 USD. If possible, we'll be doubling it. Did the same account, same day. You see the balance is now 15 USD. That is like 200% increase, 200% profit on top of the 5 USD. And I told you that you don't need a big portfolio to make it in trading. I mean it, because it's something I've witnessed. It's something I've experienced over the time, and I've trained people, and I see them raise an account from just little to something very big. It's a live trading. You can check. There's the same account. It's the same account. You can Let me show you from the report. We go to the statement. You see the same date. You can check the date. Today is 18th of June. You can see from the account statement. Okay, it's loading. Now check the date. You see 18 June 2025. 18 June in the year 2025. This is the same account. We started with 5 USD. Now you can see it's 15 USD 6 cents. That's about 200% profit on top of the 5 USD. This is the account statement. I wanted to check the date. All right. We'll go back to see if the market will be favorable for us to see build up the account. Just like I told you, I have different scales for different portfolio size. Now, the size of this portfolio we are now, I'll be trading my second trading scale. In that second trading scale, the net total risk is $3.50, and it's also spread across 5 trading stages. The first trading stage is still 35 cents, while the second trading stage in this other scale is $1.05. The third trading stage is of a stake $2.10. Then the fourth and the fifth, which are the recovery stages, are still also $2.10. All right, so let's see what we can do this time around. We set the trading duration to minutes, 1 minute trading, and we take a stake to the starting level. Then always remember to tick disallow equals. In the first video, I've explained why you should always tick that box. All right, you take this to chart, and it will take you to line chart, on which you can view the nature of the market at that particular moment. If it's smooth, then I will have to attach my already saved setting, which includes Bollinger Band and a candlestick. Then I'll be checking the setup. All right, now let's see. I'm going through the markets. Remember, I said I trade only 7 markets out of this numerous market, and I always start with bear market to scout through the market to see the one that is favorable. Now this is bull market index. It seems to be going down. Now I need to check for something using my save setting. I still need a confirmation. but we were here. If we were here at the time the second sell candle was selling, we would have made a good trade there. I view my trade. Want to see the progress of my trade. Come down here. Remember the 35 cents on my sell on the market, still 25 cent profit, of which I saw it right now, but network didn't allow me to close my trade. I still try again. Network still hinders me. Okay, we've succeeded this time around. So we've locked in our profit of 25 cents. See, it reflects in the account balance. It has moved from $15.06 to $15.31. So we still stand at the 35 cent stage because we've made a success there. We still check if the trend is still going in that direction. We'll try to place another trade. I still want to be very sure of the market movement there. Okay, let me see, try. After all, I'm on stage 1. Okay, I go down here to check the sell at the market. So in case I have an opportunity to close my trade. Okay, I've succeeded in closing that 27 cent profit. My account is still building. All right. This is penny to fortune trading session. This is part 2. We started this account from 5 USD and now it's at 15 USD and it's still growing. It's a progressive thing and we are still building gradually. Okay, I place the trade. All right, let's see. Okay, my sell at market is 15. I've seen something, so I tried to cut the loss short and it closed at 17 cents. So what do? I move to the second stage of my trading cycle, which is $1.05. All right, at this stage, my take profit, if I see 75 cents, I lock it in. And my stop loss, if I see 45 cents, I cut my loss short at that level. Okay, it's trying to retrace. Now let's see. We need a confirmation candle, another buy candle to form after this one before we can place the trade. Can we wait that much? Because maybe signal form is elsewhere, but let's just see how this goes. I'm watching the market carefully and I'm patient at the same time. I need a second buy candle to show up. Okay, let me see the nature of the candle that is popping up. Okay, we dismiss this because the signal has not been confirmed, so we let it go. We check some other markets and we have to do that fast because if you delay, you might be missing some signals, good signals somewhere. So we ought to be fast in checking the markets. I'm checking volatility 75 index now. Okay, I think it's trying to break out. Let's see. Oh, okay, if this candle still going in that direction, if it's still going in that direction, then we have something to try. our trade on. Okay. Remember, if we see 75 cents profit, we can close it. The countdown is at 36, 35 seconds and it's counting. While we also look down here, oh, it overshoot, so I try to close it because it has passed the 45 cents, my stop loss level, but network refused to me, so it's obvious this will be a loss trade. So we'll be moving to the next stage, which is $2.10. Okay, and I'll move to $2.10, which is a third stage in a trading cycle. $2.10. Oh, that first seems to, the retracement there seems to be confirmed. As I'm entering it, let me see how it goes. At here, our stop loss is 90 cents, while I take profit. Okay, I've seen 90 cents, so I cut my loss short. So I'm moving to stage 4, recovery. Stage 4 and 5 are recovery. So I have to be careful of the kind of signal that I pick, because I don't want to lose my funds. I want to recover them, so I look for something good. Oh, this signal, I wish we got it early. Well, let's see if we can still pick something there. Good, it finished going down. Um, I think I tried to close my trade, is not allowing me, but I think it's moving in our favor. So that means at this fourth stage, we are recovering all our losses and we still make profit on top. So having that end in success, we return to the start, which is 35 cents. Okay, let's still look at that trend. If the next candle still continue in that direction, I'll still follow. But if not, I will disengage and check some other market. Alright, seems to reverse. So while that one is building up, I check another market because it might be signal that is override, like this one here. If it goes down further, I'll place the trade. So you need to exercise patience. You need to control yourself against trading impulse that may push you into placing a trade that you're supposed not to. Okay, I check another market. 10 index. What's happening here is it tends to be going down. So let's confirm. Okay, I need a strong move before I can follow a signal. That's to be on a high probability side of success. I check another market. Um, oh, we have a beautiful retracement here. Let's see how far it has gone. And now, okay, I think we have something positive there. It's a live trading. I'm showing you how to build from $5 to a big account. It's a progressive thing, step by step, bit by bit. Now we are building in cents very soon. When the count grows, we will be building in dollars, because as the scale increases, the profit per trade also increases, the lot size increases. So we take it gradually, gradually. It will reach a stage that we're making so much per single trade. But for now, we have to take it calm. Okay, market is moving to our favor. When it's less than 14 seconds, you can no longer sell at the market. You have to wait for the closure of the contract. Like now, it ends to our favor. You see our account is growing now $16.15. Bit by bit, cent by cent, we are moving. Let's check other markets. This market is trying to retrace. Let's see if it will sustain. But I need a confirmation. Instead of wasting time that much, I check another market. I need good signals. I need good signals. I'm still looking for a good signal. I hope you are with me. We are still looking for some signals that will give us high probability of success. You want to see something? Oh, okay. I'm still scouting for a market. It's obvious that we have entered unfavorable market session. That's why we find it difficult getting a good signal. You observe our trade down here. It's moving in our favor. This trade is oscillating. Okay, I can see 15 cents. I tried to cut the loss short, but network refused me. I tried to see. Now I have to allow it run. I cannot intercept it anymore. It's less than 14 seconds. Alright, that's a loss. We move to the next trading stage, which is $1.05. Alright, let's it's a reversal at 10, but we need a confirmation. While waiting for the confirmation, let's see if there is any signal anywhere that is good, that is already right. Okay. You go back to check the signal at the 10 index. It's reversing now. I think a confirmation might. Oh, we have a confirmation. If I see 75 cent profit, I take my profit. I see 45 cent loss. I cut my loss short at that level. I've seen 44. I cut it short at the 55. I move to the test trading stage. It's obvious that the market is not really favorable now. That's why I find it difficult seeing signals that sustains. Most of these signals we are seeing now, they are short-lived. That's why when we see the signal and place the trade, it turns against us because it's unfavorable market sessions. Let's see if this one will go through. We've seen confirmation there. We see $1.50 profit, of which we've seen now. We try to close it, and that's our favor. So we return to 0.35. We check other markets. Alright, let's see building gradually. Let's see. You need a confirmation candle. See, this one is okay. Let's see if that signal will sustain, although we didn't meet it on time. It's going in our favor. It has reached my take profit. I'm trying to resell of this contract is not offered. It's less than 14 seconds, so I have to allow it to run to the end, of which will be in my favor, and that's a success. You see our account now is $17.09. You see we just have $2.03 on top of it right away, and we are still building. It's going to our favor. You need patience. It's beyond our control now, so we wait for finishing. It ends to our favor, in our favor. So we have $31. 31 cent profit added to our portfolio. You see, just gradually, we are building the accounts. We have a retracement that is signaling here. Let's see the confirmation candle. Alright, I follow it. I'm checking all this so that it be at a high probability of success. Oh, I've seen it in a cut my last shot and it ends at 16 cents. I move to the next stage, which is $1.05. When it is oscillating up and down, I dismiss such market because it won't do my trade good because I'm trading short time interval market. So I need a signal to move or build up steadily. Okay. You need patience in order to succeed in this trading. You need patience and self-control. You see the support here at your bottom left? It's what is influencing that trade from going down further. So instead of waiting here all through, the thing is beginning to go down now. It goes further, I will follow. But that support is still influencing it. So I check another market. Oh, it has broken through the support, but we were not there. I cut it short. It's supposed to be at 54. I cut it short there and moved to the third stage. which is the $2.10. At here the take profit, the take stop loss is at 90 cents. I might take profit if I see $1.50 or $1.60. I'll close the trade. I've seen something good, but network is not allowing me to close the trade, and it's beyond my control now, so I wait till finishing. Though it's moving in our favor, it's running in my favor, and that's a success. You see the count is now $18.69, and it's still building up from 5 USD. You need patience. I've seen 25% profit. I take my profit. My balance is now $18.95. We are moving. We are still increasing. It seems the trend is still going down, so I follow it. Meanwhile, I cut my loss short. I've seen 15 cents. I cut this short and landed at 24. I move to the next one, which is $1.05. Okay, still going in that direction. I still want to see. The stop loss is at 45 cents. I've seen 50, so I cut it short. Move to the third trading stage. See the beauty of martingale strategy. It gives you power to beat the market because you still be having chances if your strategy is strong. If it's a good one, at the long run you will overpower the market. Our stop loss is 90 cents. I've seen 90. I try to close it, but network is disturbing. I'm still trying. Network won't let me close the trade. Sometimes that's how it is. So you need a very strong internet network to have a very smooth trading, because network can be very frustrating. So we move to fourth stage, which is the recovery stage. When we recover there, we move to third stage, and then okay. It's obvious that the trend had reversed. So we now try to align with its new direction, and it's doing us good. The market is highly volatile, but you need patience. You watch out for your take profit or your stop loss. You have to wait to finishing. It's moving in our favor. Okay. We have recovered at the fourth stage. So when we recover at the fourth stage, we move to the third stage, which is also $2.10. If we get it correct, then that means we've recovered the previous ones. So we've recovered the fourth stage. We are now at the third stage. If we got to right at the third stage, that one has covered the previous ones, the $1.05 stage and the 35-cent stage. You need a good signal. No, this one is really spiky. I leave it. I'm looking for a smooth, well-trending trend. A smooth and well-trending market is what I'm searching for. Okay, this one seems to be trying. Now let's see. We have a resistance point here. It will more or less influence the trade, the movement. Okay, let's see if we can pick up something here. Yes, I'm seeing a landslide there. Alright, you check another market. You don't waste time on one market if it's not giving you what you're looking for. Quickly check elsewhere. While wasting time, the signal might be forming elsewhere. Okay, there's a retracement here. Okay, I follow the confirmation. You need patience. Only watch out for your stop loss or take profit level. It has jumped. At this stage, I have no control again, but to see it come to finishing. It has taken me to the fourth stage again. So we need to trade the recovery stage, which is the fourth stage, and then the third stage in order to recover fully. So we are at stage 4. That's a success on our part. We are now at stage 3. If we get stage 3 correct, that means we've recovered fully. All right, we have recovered fully. So we get back to the start, which is 0.35. You see, this is the power of a good strategy. It helps to, safeguard your trade. It helps to safeguard your trade and sustain your profits. All right. We are still trading. You need patience, you need self-control. Okay, I see a good signal there, we follow. You see why I recommend derivative Deriv.com for your trading because it's very flexible. It's very flexible, ranging from offering you lowest possible trading lot like 35 cents, and you also have a flexible option of selling at the market, which is very fast. Okay, you can see our portfolio is now $19.89, right from 5 USD, and it's still growing gradually. We need a confirmation candle here, and the buy candle should form vividly above this one. If it goes high again, all right, I now follow. I come and view my trade. I cut it short because I've seen $16 loss. My stop loss at that level is 15. So I go over to $1.05. And see the signal showing up there. I cut it short. My stop loss at that level is 45 cents. So when I just see something like above 45, from 45 cents up, I cut it short. We cut a profit, we cut a loss short, and then we allow the profit to run. Right. Move to 10 index. Is retracing. Has gone far. All right. You are looking for a good signal. Okay. We need to pick signal on time. A good signal. That's how we've been scouting from market to market. We are looking for something that is smooth and well trending market where we can place our trade. Okay, we need a confirmation candle here. Okay. Alright, I choose to follow. And this stage, our stop loss is 90 cents. Our take profit is $1 from $1.50 is enough. Okay, I pick it. Network does not allow me. I try it again. It picks this time around. You can see our account building from 5 USD now is we have $20. Now we have $20.94. At this stage, we are moving to another scale in our trading. But meanwhile, we'll go on a break here. So see you in our next video where we will continue to build from $5 to a fortune challenge. I hope you find this video encouraging and educating. You must have learned one or two things. You must have also believed that one can raise an account from as low as 5 USD dollars to something good. This video aims to build that confidence in you and to also show you the way. Alright, see you in our next video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel from penny to fortune traders. Till we see you again in our next video. Bye.